Now, what was supposed to be a fun day at sea turned out deadly for some passengers heading to Lime Key in Kingston today. 2 persons are dead after the boat they were traveling in capsized.
The news has rocked the community of Port Royal as it's understood that the captain, who's a resident, could be charged. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
Yo, I say to the people, the people say, my people say the ride safe, the people say it's safer than plane.
A fisherman recounts his interaction with the passengers who left Port Royal in Kingston for Lime Key off the south coast moments after 9 Thursday morning. It's understood that the 12 passengers and the captain left shore, but by the time they got to Rockham Key, a few miles offshore, they encountered challenges and water entered the boat, which later capsized. After being in the water for some time, 2 of the passengers were reportedly unresponsive. They were later held by the Jamaica Defense Force Coast Guard and then taken to hospital, where the women were pronounced dead. They have been identified as Edith Betsa of Amandeville Address and Janelle DeSesa of Kingston. The incident has raised questions as to whether the passengers were wearing life vests.
Yeah, everybody in the boat have on a life jacket, because me pack them. Me personally pack them on the boat. And everybody a life jacket. Leave the front seat empty and put 4 upon the 3 seat down here. So 3 seat, the boat having 5 seats. Like this is a 4 seat, I'm having 5 seats. I have a seat right here, so I'm going to put 3, 3, 3, and 3.
The unfortunate situation, which claimed the lives of 2 persons, took place just offshore in a 28-foot boat like one of these behind me. But at least one fisherman argues that the driver of the boat should not be blamed entirely, as there could be a number of contributing factors.
I have first timer, I have people who experience the sea. When I carry people, some first time on the boat, and going on the boat and the boat rock, them start scream. So when they start driving, they look at water flash on them now, they get panic and them start rock to the side of the boat and them start hide from the water, and that got me the situation worse. So all I have to do is just stay calm. Don't watch the water while licking in your face. Just stay calm because the boat not going to go over.
Up to this evening, the captain was being questioned by investigators at the Port Royal police station. Our sources say he's expected to be charged later this evening. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.